Python Fanatic 2004 Enterprises Incorporated presents Bully and Furnace Bully flip their parents off / grounded.
Hey Mom and Dad.
What is it, Bully and Furnace Bully?
Can we go to McDonald's?
Absolutely not.
Why not?
Because both of you are still grounded.
Oh come on, please.
Bully and Furnace Bully, we said, no, now both of you, fuck off!
No, we want to go to McDonald's right now.
Bully and Furnace Bully, the answer is, no.
But we want to go to McDonald's right now. I agree with my brother.
Bully and Furnace Bully, you are not going to McDonald's and that's final.
You know what, that's it, take this you idiots.
Oh, oh my fuck, King, God, bull freaking idiot, moron retarded bald ass parent flipping Ian Furnace freaking idiot, moron retarded bald ass parent flipping bully. How fuck King dare you flip us off? That was really disrespectful of you guys to do that.
That's it. Both of you are grounded for 54 decades. Both of you, go to your room, right now.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. That's all I have to say. This is me, signing off, and see you later.